Bienvenidos amigos. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited to share my recipe. And that's because for the first time in my life I tried making samosa. Most commonly they are made with potato stuffing but can also be made with minced mutton or keema. Here are the ingredients to make the samosa covering sheets. In a large bowl, add all-purpose flour, salt, oil and mix well. By adding little amount of water as and when required, knead the dough. This process requires the same steps as for kneading any other type of dough. This dough should be firm and smooth. Don't make it too soft. Cover and set aside for at least 20 minutes. Now these are the ingredients for preparing the samosa stuffing. In a pan, add oil and let it heat. Then add the minced mutton. Cook this on medium flame until it loses all the water and changes color. Then add ginger garlic paste, salt, turmeric powder and saute well. Add green chilies and chopped onions. Mix well and cook for another 2 minutes. Add salt if required and turn off the flame. The dough has been resting for a while now. Start by making medium-sized dough balls. Roll the dough balls gently by sprinkling some dry flour as required. You can skip this step if you have the ready-made samosa sheets. Roll up to a specific size and keep it aside. Repeat the exact same steps with the other dough balls and roll them up to the same size and thickness. So basically we are gonna make 3 flatbreads of the same size. You can add and make up to 5 flatbreads together with the same process. The next thing is to apply oil individually to each flatbread from both the sides. Sprinkle some dry flour in order to avoid sticking. Then place the flatbread one above the another and roll them together. Then place them on the hot pan. After 7 to 8 seconds, flip over to the other side. Repeat the same process from the other side and then turn off the flame. Try to separate them while they are hot. Now cut out the edges from all the sides so that it looks like a square. By the way, you can deep fry these leftover edges and have it with tea. Then cut it from the center to make it into 2 equal parts. And that's how you have 6 samosa sheets ready. Before proceeding further, we need to make this batter which will help the samosa sheet stick together. So as you can see here, you need to make them into a cone shape. And then add the stuffing in between. Now apply the batter on the opposite side in order to seal the samosa. Follow the same steps to make the other samosas. Now it's time to deep fry them. Heat oil in a pan on medium flame and then carefully drop the samosas in it. Fry until crispy and golden brown from both the sides. So this was my step-by-step procedure to make a perfect samosa. This came out so crispy and juicy that I absolutely loved it. Remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. See you soon.